Hey everyone, today we are asking a cool question. Why should you learn Python, especially for machine learning, instead of PHP or the JavaScript? Let's make this easy to understand. Python is really easy to start with. Even if you are new to coding, it's clear and also simple, right? Reading the English. This is super helpful when you are dealing with the machine learning, which can get complicated. Python has some awesome tools that are just for machine learning. These tools are likely helpful friends that make it easier to do really smart stuff like teaching computers to recognize pictures or understanding what people are saying. PHP and also the JavaScript are great for making websites, but they are not the best for machine learning. They don't have many special tools for it as Python does. Imagine making a computer that can play games by itself or a program that suggests movies you will love. That's the kind of cool projects you can do with Python and also with machine learning. So if you are very excited about teaching computers to think and also learn, Python is the best way to go with it. So do you want to start this awesome journey? Why not go with the Python and a try? And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and also subscribe for more fun tech stuff and also keep exploring. Thank you for watching.